Hi bakers, today we're going to be making strawberry chocolate chip cookies with Ghirardelli chocolate. And here are my ingredients. We're going to use 1 box of strawberry, Betty Crocker. We're going to use baking soda, 1/3 cup of oil, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs. So let's get started. Oh, and also a baking sheet and some parchment paper and two bowls. So I already added my my cake mix to my bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of baking soda to our cake mix. And we're going to mix it. And we're going to set it aside. And now we're going to put our 2 eggs in here. And we're going to add our half a teaspoon of vanilla. And our oil. And we're going to mix this very well, and we're going to add it to our dry ingredient. So you mix it until everything is mixed. So now we're going to add it to our dry ingredients. And we're going to add our Ghirardelli chips. And we're going to mix it until everything is well mixed, until you don't see the white cake mix. And it's going to get hard, so you have to really mix it. Mixing it very well. For this, you do not use a hand mixer or a stand mixer either. Just use a spoon and mix it until everything is mixed. These cookies come out really good. And they taste like chocolate chip cookies, so they're really good. And all you have to do is just buy a strawberry cake mix. I mean, I haven't used any other color, like chocolate or vanilla, but you're welcome to try it. And let me know how they turn out if you make them. So just mix it and mix it all very well till it's all the cake mix is gone. It's gonna get a little hard, like that's okay. Alright, so now we're going to use an ice cream scooper, a small one if you guys have one. If not, you can use a spoon, and you get two spoonsful of the mixture. Make sure you guys have parchment paper and a pan like this, or whatever pan you have, as long as you have parchment paper. And they're going to go in the oven for 350 for 10 minutes. Remember, 350 for 10 minutes. This is such an easy recipe, so you can make this for Easter, for any occasion you have. If you don't want to buy cookies, you can make your own cookies. So try this recipe, you're gonna like it. It's very easy, and they come out delicious. I mean, you can do this recipe with your kids. I mean, they're going to like this recipe. It's very easy. Like I said, try vanilla, try chocolate. I haven't done any of those, but I've only done strawberry. But if you do, please let me know how it turns out. And you don't have to press these down or anything like that, because once they come out of the oven, with your finger you're gonna tap them down, and they go flat, but they come out really good. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I'll see you in a little bit. So hey guys, so my cookies came out already, and in total 26 came out in that batch that I made earlier. So like I said, if you guys want to do it for Easter, you know, or whatever occasion you want to do it for. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and give me thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys decide to make this in like I said, in another flavor, let me know. Take a picture, you know, and let me know how it turns out. Okay. All right. Thank you.